In the next 3 minutes, I would like to show you 3 things. First, why many, if not most, enterprise insight departments will see serious headcount cuts in the near future. Second, how you not only prevent this, but becoming the driver of business growth. And thirdly, a research format that not only delivers this, but also will save budgets. At Supra, we are working for a large global enterprise that has 3 global insight teams. This year, 2025, they closed 2 of the 3 teams. There's a reason why we at Supra are working for the team that is left. Marketing teams actually ask themselves, do we really need customer insights teams? We can use DIY tools or AI tools ourselves. We can ask customer twins ourselves and get results immediately. It doesn't really get easier than DIY and AI tools today. But speed and ease is not really the problem marketing teams have. The problem marketing teams have is they want to gain confidence about their decisions. If you as an insights team just execute briefings, you will be replaced by AI very soon. The same will happen with insights agencies that simply execute. Execution can be automated. Asking the right questions cannot. Your strategy must be to grow as a respected authority. First, respected for the ability to ask better questions to the team and to AI. Second, respected for providing impactful answers on what to do to cause results. And this is how you get into the driver's seat. Meet Supra's proprietary technology that pinpoints marketing's causal growth drivers like a sniper. It's not theory, it's science and practice based on neuroscience surveys and causal AI analytics. It tells you, for instance, why do category buyers choose a brand emotionally and functionally? And which touch points drive awareness and which drive consideration. How to optimize products to secure launch and grow success. How to optimize profits by 10, 30 or even 100% by optimizing price levels. Supra tools provide standardized science-based solutions for all key questions marketing teams have and need confidence to act on. Let's look at success cases from global players like Sonos, T-Mobile, Apple or Microsoft.
So we analyzed the Apple Vision Pro and not only found the profit maximizing price, but also looked why people are buying that and why the early adopters do not. And we found something that is very important to drive willingness to buy and to pay, which is the 3D gaming capability and the intuitive control feature. So people really need to understand and believe that the product performs in those 3D video and gaming features and the intuitive control, because of those things which people don't tell you so much. Yeah, if you ask them how important it is, they will say, okay, it's important, but more important is actually that the resolution is high and the battery life. Looking into the detail with causal AI can really save you a product launch. We secured a profitable product launch for Sonos Move and Roam in 2018, where we not only found the most profitable pricing, but also we measured not only how the customers see certain features and performance adaptation drivers, but also how important are those drivers to create willingness to buy and to pay. That's actually where the product description lacks in. Yeah? People did not realize that this is a wireless speaker instead of a normal Bluetooth speaker. That's what they really changed in their communication, put it in the headlines and so forth. And that's why also this product launch really worked out well and the product is as successful still. We also analyzed what makes Sonos customers loyal. Actually, what makes them loyal is the reliability of the performance, so that the software really works well without any interruption. They worked in it, but then a few years later, new people come in and they violated that, changed an app with a hurry, and millions of customers got lost. One of the biggest success stories of applying causal AI in marketing is actually T-Mobile USA. They relaunched the brand in 2013. Internally, they were still fighting why actually the company is successful. Anything they did could be copied by the competition. We found that none of the things they did, great devices, no product terms, flat pricing, none of that was the direct reason of buying it. Really, the positioning is changing wireless for the better. This positioning is really their unfair advantage, which is hard to copy. That's the basis of their huge success and the reason why the Deutsche Telekom is evolved from number 7 to number 1 global carrier in the world.
When I was with T-Mobile USA, leading the consumer insights team, I was looking for an agency that could take me to the next level in my modeling efforts. And I was really happy to find Frank and his team. The work that we did at T-Mobile led to ultimately us doubling our sales and moving from record losses to profits.
Why is this now so much better than conventional research agencies or AI tools? The limit of market research is grounded in 2 simple truths that are often neglected. Customer decisions are based on subconscious thinking. You cannot simply ask a customer why he's buying it or what he's thinking or what's important for him. Instead, you need to survey the intuitive, implicit mind. Businesses do not really need data and facts. What they are asking for is the insight, what causes outcome, which actions to take to achieve a certain objective. Because of that, the key thing businesses need is some kind of causal analysis. In the last 15 years, we at SUPRA developed a scientifically validated and live-tested methodology that measures the implicit mind and analyze that with our causal AI software. On top of that, we use the latest AI to communicate the insights in a revolutionary way. You can talk with insights using customer twins, and we even manifest insights with AI-generated mood boards, storyboards, or even songs. But it takes more than tools. To be successful in the AI age, you need to master the art of asking the right questions. This is why businesses need internal insights experts with authority. They need you. SUPRA in turn is designed to enable you with insights businesses need, an expert-led consultancy that mentor insights teams to build authority. Right now, we offer first-time clients a new customer launch package. You get 100K high-end insight work for a retainer of just 65K yearly, or 200K work for just 115K yearly. There's simply no reason not to do this because we guarantee success. If it doesn't deliver, we refund payment anytime. No questions asked. Of course, we cannot do this for everyone. This offer stops after customer number 5 have signed. I know engaging in such a collaboration needs more just a good offer. You may not even know SUPRA. That's why I'm inviting you to meet online and to get to know each other. As a preparation to our call, I'm happy to send you one of my books, 10x Insights, Think Causal Not Casual, Pricing Intelligence, or CX Insights Manifesto. Let me know. If you lead an enterprise insights team, this offer is for you. Let's schedule a time to talk. We then discuss your specific situation, if we have a match, and whether or not this offer really serves your needs. Still unsure? These are the 3 most asked questions we hear. Number 3, how do we know that projects in the retainer are not overpriced? We fix a price list for all standardized project types before we sign the retainer. Full transparency for over 80% of project work. Number 2, your methodology sounds too complicated for our audience. Computers are complicated too, but you use it as long as there is IT support. Same with SUPRA. It's quite easy on the outside and it comes with a personal guide. If you want to drive impact, you cannot rely on a pocket calculator. Number one, how much of our research can we really do with this retainer? Here's a list of our standard tools: price optimization, product optimization, brand tracking, brand drivers, touchpoint optimization, customer experience insights, even marketing mix modeling, creative testing and optimization. And maybe I forgot some more. Let me summarize. Right now, we are offering first-time clients this new customer launch package. You get 100K high-end insight work for a retainer of just 65K yearly, or 200K work for just 115K yearly. There's simply no reason not to do it because we guarantee success. If it doesn't deliver, we refund the payment, no questions asked. And of course, we cannot do this for everyone. So this offer is for the first 5 clients that sign the retainer. And of course, first we need to get to know each other better. So let's meet. If you find this intriguing enough, just go ahead and block a time in my personal calendar and see you there. Happy to meet you soon.